What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at a company out of Kenansville, North Carolina that makes Beard Balm. So stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman, and as you can tell from the intro, I do beard product reviews, some hiking videos, some gear reviews, and today we're going to take a look at a company out of Kenansville, North Carolina, found on Etsy, Murphy's Beard Balm. Alright, so I reached out to them on Etsy and said, hey, you've got a couple scents, I want to try one, which one do you recommend? And Christian Murphy, the owner, emailed me back and said these two are our top sellers, and so it was an easy choice. Then I chose Barbershop. Well, when I got the package in the mail, it came in this nice carry bag, came with a business card, and the back is their social media, which I will drop links in the description below. And I got a 1 ounce Barbershop, which I ordered, and I got a 1/2 ounce clean trim, which was their other bestseller. So I reached out to them again after I'd used it. I reached out to them the other day and said, hey, I'm fixing to do a review. Is there anything you want me to add in? Anything about your company? Anything like that? So Christian emailed me back, and this is what she said. My husband is the source for starting Murphy's Beard Balm. He would peruse the different balms at the store and online, trying to find the right one for him. He happened to find one that he liked online. However, he did not like the texture, and his hair was still falling out of his beard, so she had to do something. She spent almost 2 years researching balms and perfecting her recipe. He was the guinea pig all the way. And great news, his hair stopped falling out of his beard. They finally founded their company on January 30th of 2019 in North Carolina. When we were approached for a wholesale order, they never thought about selling until then. She just planned on just making it for him. And so she started an Etsy store, and she got another large order. Since then, she's been getting orders and been able to update her design on her tins, and they are currently, right now, launching beard oils, and they're testing those now. So for a limited time, this is what she told me to say, for a limited time, they're offering a 1/2 ounce beard oil for free with any 1 ounce purchase of a beard balm. The beard oil scent will match the balm you buy unless you state otherwise. They only have the oil in the scents of Barbershop, Tobacco Bay Leaf, Clean Trim, Evergreen, and they're working on more right now. So I've got, what we're going to talk about today is Barbershop and Clean Trim. Those are the two that she told me were her best sellers. But right now they sell on Etsy and eBay, and they can ship worldwide. Free shipping applies to anyone in the U.S. So when I talk about prices in a minute, remember, free shipping. Alright? No minimum order. And you can find them on Facebook at Murphy's Beard Balm. They do giveaways and updates on their Facebook page. We'll talk about prices. Right now for their beard balms, that's all they have right now, is a 1/2 ounce tin. 1/2 ounce tin you can get for $5. 1 ounce tin is $8. And free shipping. So the prices are a no-brainer. Alright, so they're working on, and I looked at, right before filming this video, they do have some sample beard oils that they're testing out that you can purchase for a little bit of nothing just to test it out. If you buy it, you have to put a review, give them some feedback on that scent, and let them know what they need to tweak on it. But they are working on some beard oils, so they're going to get away from just the balms. So, but we're going to talk about their scents. Alright, so this one is Barbershop, and that slogan is great. Shaving is for the weak. So it comes in a black screw top tin, with the label front and back, and the back has their ingredients. Proudly made in the United States. Ingredients: beeswax, shea butter, vitamin E, cocoa butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and fragrance oil. And Barbershop, that is the consistency. There's a few lumps in it, but I can tell you just it's pretty creamy. It don't take much to get some out. And even though there are some lumps in it, it emulsifies and those lumps just blend right in and go away. So it is a really smooth balm. Now, Barbershop, I think according to their website, it said that it was kind of a woodsy, masculine scent. For me, I get a little bit of that woodsy, but there's something else that I'm picking up and I can't tell what it is. To me, it smells good and clean. It's not overpowering like pine and woodsy, kind of dirty, woodsy, like some of the other ones I've smelled before. It's really good. Manly scent. It's not bad. My wife likes this one. And see, there's a little bit of a shine, but not much. And again, I didn't put a whole lot on there. So, but that is Barbershop. And then Clean Trim also comes in a black screw top container with the label on the back. Ingredients I think are the same: beeswax, shea butter, vitamin E, cocoa butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and fragrance oil. And this one has the same color and texture and the same consistency. This one, to me, this is my favorite of the two. This one is fresh out the shower, clean, not floral, but just a good clean, a manly clean. Really good scents on both of these. I would highly recommend either one of these to give a try. Now when I use these, I use them with some unscented beard oil, and they're kind of a, I would say just a light hold, maybe a little bit on the medium. With my beard as curly as it is, it really didn't have a whole lot of hold to it. So I'm gonna give it the lighter of the light to medium on that. Feeling beard, it felt really good. Now initially it was a little bit greasy on my beard, but then it absorbed in and the greasiness went away and it was fine. The scent lasted, I'm gonna say the scent lasted 4 to 5 hours. There was times where I could catch a whiff after that, but just smelling it, couldn't smell it after roughly about 4 to 5 hours. And again, with the cost of this half ounce being $5 and free shipping, it's worth a try, in my opinion. And that's one reason I purchased it, just to give it a try for the price. Couldn't beat it. I'm interested to see how their oils turn out and give them a try. But again, highly recommend this. Murphy's Beard Balm. I will put the links, like I said, to all of their information in the description box below. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that thumbs up on this video. Check out Murphy's Beard Balm. You will not regret it. So, as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.